Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, we'll tell you about the new professional SLS 3D printer, Sinterit Lisa Pro. In 2019, the Polish company Sinterit unveiled the Lisa Pro 3D printer, the second generation of desktop devices that use selective laser sintering technology. Selective laser sintering, or SLS for short, is a 3D printing technology used to create functional prototypes and small batches of products from synthetic powders. The technology is based on laser sintering of powder materials layer by layer. SLS technology allows for creation of products with high elasticity and a high-quality surface without visible layering. In a single print, Sinterit Lisa Pro can produce high-precision objects consisting of multiple parts. The material itself serves as the support. The powder completely surrounds the model. Unlike the original Sinterit Lisa, the Pro version has a build chamber with an increased height. Provided that the print is placed diagonally in the build area, the printer can produce objects of up to 32 centimeters in height. The second difference is that Sinterit Lisa Pro features an integrated gas supply system for nitrogen or argon into the print chamber in order to oust atmospheric air. An oxygen-free environment will allow you to use the newest powders on the market. For example, Onyx PA11 polyamide, which demonstrates better strength and stiffness characteristics than the standard PA12. You can prepare models for printing with Sinterit Studio. This simple and practical slicer will allow you to select the material and layer height, as well as to adjust the positioning of the models inside the build chamber. They should not intersect and stretch beyond the recommended print area. Sinterit Studio can work with several printers connected to the same enterprise network. This will allow you to monitor the printing process and organize a 3D printing farm with multiple Sinterit devices. The finished file is transferred to the printer through a Wi-Fi connection or using a USB flash drive. You can adjust the settings, change operating modes, start and stop the printer via the color touchscreen. Before you start printing, you need to clean the guides and check the build chamber for foreign objects. Next, the printer automatically prepares the chamber for printing, lowering and raising platforms. You need a respirator and gloves to safely load the consumables. Fine powder with a grain size varying from 20 to 80 microns can harm your skin and respiratory system. Once the powder leveling process and all preparatory procedures are finished, all you have to do is close the casing. Just before printing, the machine warms up the build chamber for about an hour and a half. You can observe the printing process either directly through the window in the cover or via the LCD screen, which displays the internal camera view. Once the printing process is finished, the print, along with unused powder, is removed from the build chamber with a special tool. The post-processing includes roughly cleaning the prints with a metal brush and final processing in a sandblasting machine. After each printing, the machine needs to be thoroughly cleaned of powder residues. The process includes both manual and automatic procedures. The remaining unused powder is mixed with fresh materials and processed in a special Sinterit sieve device. The resulting mixture can be used again. Today, Sinterit's line of materials includes 7 powders. Lisa Pro can utilize any of them. In addition to the basic polyamides PA11 and PA12, it includes thermoplastic polyurethane, allowing for the manufacture of rubber-like parts, and several flexa-elastic materials that differ from each other in physical properties. Sinterit Lisa Pro comes with a wide range of accessories. Inside the package, you will find everything you need for printing and maintaining the device, from tools for cleaning finished parts and protective equipment, to spare parts and chemicals for cleaning and lubricating the printer. Today, SLS printing is becoming a powerful manufacturing tool in the car industry and electronics, robotics, and healthcare. With SLS technology, you can print functional prototypes, models with various degrees of stiffness and elasticity. Sinterit Lisa Pro is an affordable SLS printer for designers, engineers, small and medium-sized businesses, for everyone who is ready to work with professional 3D equipment. Want to find out more about 3D printers or even buy one right now? Just head straight to top3dshop.com. Have more questions? Please leave a comment, call us, or visit our website. Our contact information is in the description below this video. We will help you choose a 3D printer that's best for you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See you soon!